10 important general knowledge MCQs about current provincial ministers, Punjab, Pakistan. Question number 1 is, who is the current Minister of Law in Punjab? Options are given. Choose the correct answer, please. Correct answer is B. Khurram Shahzad Virk. Question number 2 is, who is the current Minister of Parliamentary Affairs in Punjab? Options are given. Choose the correct answer, please. Correct answer is A. Raja Muhammad Bisharat. Question number 3 is, who is the current Speaker of Punjab Assembly? Correct answer is B. Sabtain Khan. Question number 4 is, who is the current Minister of Food in Punjab? Correct answer is C. Aleem Khan. Question number 5 is, who is the current Minister of Population Welfare Department in Punjab? Correct answer is A. Sardar Hashim Dogar. Question number 6 is, who is the current Provincial Minister for Environment Protection in Punjab? Correct answer is C. Muhammad Rizwan. Question number 7 is, who is the current Minister of Information and Culture in Punjab? Correct answer is A. Fayazul Hassan Chauhan. Question number 8 is, who is the current Minister of Local Government and Community Development in Punjab? Correct answer is D. None of them. Question number 9 is, who is current Minister for Livestock and Dairy Development in Punjab? Correct answer is D. Sardar Hussain Bahadur. Question number 10 is, who is the current opposition leader of Punjab Assembly? Correct answer is C. Hamza Shehbaz. Do subscribe to my channel for such informational videos.